This is GCSE Accelerated Maths. We're in Unit 17 and we're looking at scatter diagrams. This is 17.3. So scatter diagrams are used to see if there is a relationship between two sets of data. Some keywords in correlation means there's a relationship between the two sets of data. So if there's a correlation, it means there's a relationship between the two sets of data. Line of best fit, a line drawn to show the trend in the data. We normally drawn in the middle of the points and should have the name number of points above and below it. A line of best fit is only drawn if there is a correlation. So a positive correlation, as this one goes up, this one goes up. So we head this way here. A negative correlation, as this one goes up, this one goes down. And then no correlation, there's no pattern then at all. I often talk about with my classes that if I'm selling hot chocolate, ice cream and crisps in the park, if we have this one and I measure the temperature in the park every day, so if temperature is going along here, the higher the temperature, the more ice cream I would sell. So this one would look like this. Here, the lower the temperature, the more hot chocolate I would sell. It looks like this. And then this one here is probably the crisps, because crisps taste great at any temperature, and so there's no real pattern then to the temperature. So just kind of a couple of examples then about those, but that's what I have. Note again, as it says, only draw the line of best fit of his correlations. Line of best fit here, there's a line of best fit here, but we don't have one here. Here, this one's already been drawn for us. The cost in pounds and the number of books ordered by 8 different departments in a school are shown below. No, they're not. It's umbrellas. I was wondering what's going on there, so it's a mistake. Just a wee misprint. Well, that's okay. Umbrellas sold with rainfall. You would expect them to sell more umbrellas, the higher the rainfall. So we're trying to see then if there's a correlation. So say, for example, it should be 10 sold and rainfall of 2. So there, sure enough, we have a 10 and 2 there. That's what I have. Describe the correlation. So there's a couple down here heading this way. This one seems a bit off, but that's okay. But generally to me, it's going this way here. So I think that then is a positive correlation. Describe the relationship. I don't quite know how to word that, but as umbrellas increase, it should actually be the other way around. Let's change that. As rainfall increases, more umbrellas are sold. Not quite sure if that's the relationship, but that's okay. Draw a line of best fit. So again, we'd be looking here. We're trying to have as many above as below. You don't necessarily need to go through the origin here. I might, and it sort of depends how we go, but if I maybe try for something possibly like that, I don't think that's too bad. A line of best fit. I kind of have the same amount above as I have below. Just about, and generally that's the trend then of the line. Use a line of best fit to estimate the number of umbrellas sold when there's 5.5 millimeters of rain. So 5.5 would be up around here. And again, make sure you show your work out. Whenever you're doing your Accel GCSE, this will be graphed paper, so it's much easier then to read off. And I have that. And then from this point here, I'd be going straight down. So that's 40. What do we think? 42 umbrellas, I would say, is my best guess there. So 42.